Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in this box, but we're going to find out together. It was sent by Tri-States. Okay. Thanks so much. Probably somebody responding to my community post about knives I'm looking for review. You can check that out in the community tab. If you've got something you think that I might be interested in taking a look at, you will absolutely get your knives back after I'm done. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's open this up here. No idea. Oh, there's ProTech. Okay, here we go. And lots of ProTechs this month. Holy moly. Okay, hold on. Hey, MC. Wow. Hey, MC. First off, let's get the shameless plugs out of the way. No problem. Inspired by you, among others, I started my own channel at the end of 2020. It's doing well. Just 150 so away from 2,000 subs. Hey, awesome. Congratulations. Tri-States_EDC on Instagram and YouTube. So make sure you guys take the time to go over there, subscribe to him, and follow him. My wife makes high-quality stickers for countless channels and several knife brands, and we would love to do a run of swords and helmets for your channel. Okay, awesome. Check her out. That sounds weird. He literally wrote that in parentheses on Instagram, and that's going to be, Tri-States_River Valley_creations. And then it says shameless plug over. Now that that's out of the way, I hope you enjoy your time with the, yes. Feel free to use, carry, and test it as you please. The edge on that blank blade is not factory, and I may have gone overboard, but it's pretty and it cuts insanely well. And finally, from the content creator, one content creator to another, your dedication and love for the hobby has been and continues to be an inspiration to all. He had 70,000 and crossed out 80,000. I'm sorry, had 70,000, crossed out 70,000 and put 80,000 because that happened really fast, or more of us. Love what you do. Keep on keeping it on, and I would love to have you on Tri-State Tuesday live stream one of these days. For sure, man. Absolutely. Very cool, man. I appreciate it. All right, so let's check this out. I think I know what this is. Yeah, very interested. I've always been extremely interested, or since I was aware that this was a thing, I've been interested. Oh, it's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. Holy moly, that thing definitely fires a little harder than I thought it would, too. You definitely did go hard on that edge there. Oh boy, nice lockout. Golly, that thing snaps, man. ProTech really getting after it with the power on the coil spring there. Beautiful. So this is a collaboration between ProTech and Terzuola, but this, of course, the ACTF, which this is based on. I'm sorry, ATCF. I always mix that up. I'm so sorry. ATCF. Wonderful original design. So the collaboration with ProTech, I think, came out really well. I like this white here. What is this? Did it say? Ivory oh, that's micarta. Huh. Okay, well, that looks good. Yeah, I mean, it does. It kind of looks like a... It's kind of like this really looks like a James Bond knife. The sort of tuxedo look and just sort of the classic tactical, right? The nice thing about the ACTF is the ramp right here, or this is not that they, you know, they are the ones, I called it the ACTF again, didn't I? ATCF, gosh, so sorry. They're not the first ones to have done this, but this ramp right here, even though the jimping area is nice and short, it does allow you to lock in really well instead of having like this sort of long runway of jimping where you kind of have to slide and get your finger to a stopping point. But really, really nice. Boy, nice, very nice edge on that. A nice, super sticky edge on this guy. Not a factory edge, but you know, the truth is, guys, I think I have another one of these coming in that is factory. And I'll be able to show you guys this one and a factory one, so you can kind of see one that's got a little bit of more, it's been sharpened, it's been used a little bit, and then I've got one that I think is completely and totally factory, so I can compare them side by side. But yeah, anyways, this is super cool. I don't know if this is available right now. This is not a review, by the way. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. The full comprehensive review will come down the road after I've had a chance to, actually learn about the thing and then give useful information. I will link this and ProTech knives down below anyway, so you guys can check it out if you want to. I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.